As I promised to my subscribers, it's time to review and test the results of exactly 10 weeks of hard work in my living room and in the garage. Here we put the board onto water. Here I try rowing it for the first time and easily reach 3 knots. Now I try to hoist the sail. Yeah, it is not so easy the first time. And certainly the wind died out, so I have to wait a little bit, or even move to the other side of the harbor, closer to the sea. Here finally I have a little bit more wind, getting up some speed, so the boat is really easy to handle. In this latest edition I added some volume to the back side of the board, so it's better balanced. The first test shows that I really love this dinghy, and now it will be moved to the art gallery in Bodø in northern Norway, where it will be shown to the public.